Ever wonder what it takes to transform a simple idea into a compelling visual message? Welcome to the fascinating world of graphic design. Starting with a spark of interest, perhaps drawn from a love for visuals, communication, or problem-solving, the journey into graphic design begins. This passion, this curiosity forms the cornerstone, the motivation for your design journey. The path to becoming a graphic designer is a learning trail. It starts with understanding the fundamentals of design. These are the unshakable principles that underpin all great designs, such as hierarchy, contrast, balance, proximity, color theory, typography, and visual communication. Books, design blogs, and online courses serve as invaluable resources to grasp these core principles. Choosing the right tools is another crucial step. Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator are popular among beginners for raster and vector graphics, respectively. But free alternatives like GIMP and Inkscape are also worth exploring. The key is to start with one and gradually broaden your horizon as you acquire new skills. And those skills, they aren't going to polish themselves. Practice is the magic word here. Don't wait for the perfect project. Seek inspiration, take up personal design challenges, or even try your hand at redesigning existing work. Consistent practice is what sharpens your skills and enriches your portfolio. Feedback is another important aspect of this journey. Share your work with others. Friends, family, or even online communities can offer constructive criticism. Join design forums, partake in workshops, connect with other designers, learn from them, grow with them. Now here are a few additional tips. Consider focusing on a specific area of design, be it branding, UI, UX, illustration, or motion graphics. A concentrated approach often yields deeper insights. Build a portfolio that showcases your best work, even if they are unfinished projects. Above all, remain patient and persistent. Learning design is a marathon, not a sprint. To kickstart your journey, consider exploring resources such as Canva Design School or Skillshare for online learning, or books like Graphic Design School by David Dabner and Steal Like an Artist by Austin Kleon. YouTube channels like The Future, Flern, and Aaron Blaze also offer valuable content. In conclusion, graphic design is a rewarding and versatile field. It's a journey that demands curiosity, learning, and creativity. So, enjoy the ride and keep exploring.